大家看那个远处带掩体的，那是德军的阵地。过一会儿将有一场二战的战斗演示，就是从这里一直向对面带掩体的德军阵地发起进攻。现在这个坦克已经集结，这是美军的。大战一触即发，大家看这些坦克全是实物。在这个贝斯佩奇镇附近有一个美国的装甲博物馆，感兴趣的朋友有机会可以去参观一下。
Popped up. One of the common themes is that other American troops were not notified that they again, that's a 75mm gun on the front. His claim to fame was the fact that they fired a very heavy, very large, high explosive round. The pack gun off to the left just fired at the Sherman. That's a 37mm gun as well. A little potent at these short ranges. Oh. Well, that made the case for me. It's still a potent weapon at very close range. The Sherman tank was taking a hit. All right, we're starting to hear small arms fire now. The Sherman or the Hellcat moves in to suppress that fire. Here goes our M8. Our M20. See the M4 crew taking the shelter behind the Sherman tank. All right, that's what a 76mm cannon sounds like. That was our Hellcat firing around. You see the ejected shell just tossed over the side. All right, as we predicted, looks like developing here is a very classic infantry maneuver, a flanking maneuver, as old as warfare itself. In fact, those troops are moving off to the right, our right of that bunker. It's our head crack, we have another squad of riflemen in that. M3 could carry a complete rifle squad of 10 to 12 guys. All right, so we're going to go here with the M20. You see that fire? So we have a troop who has been wounded here. Oh no, he's wounded. So the ambulance rolls up. We have medics tending to this young gentleman, bandaging a leg, apparently a leg wound. So we have an infantryman here providing cover. So again, to remember that a lot of the stuff didn't take place in a vacuum. It took place during firefights, just like you saw before. Let me get away from the speakers here. An uncelebrated but vital role here, the medics. His personal belongings with him. and lift, just like today, very carefully, and going to bring him back to a rear area, a lot of times not at all to rear, for further treatment. But again, just like today, those first few moments of treatment, those moments of life-giving treatment are vital. We've come a long, long way, but still the same roles took place back then as they are today. So thank you. These guys are with the Long Island Living History Association and medical team as a Dodge ambulance. This was the type of vehicle that was used for any number of things, including by the Signal Corps. A very versatile vehicle, and roll away they do. We'll be having you meet FDR, flag post ceremony at 12 noon. 41st guys will be coming along the rope line that you guys are behind right now. Please give them a big hand as they walk by.